A fact that was part of many science and fiction movies is about to become reality. Humans creating advanced technologies that allow others to be controlled simply by implanting a chip in the head of that other individual. This is an idea that has been criticized a bit, but it turned out to be appreciated, mainly for the way it was portrayed in the media throughout the evolution of technology. It is now known that it is possible to manufacture these technologies, and Elon Musk has developed a technology that allows us to manipulate the limitations of a person from inside a computer. Neuralink is an American neurotechnology company headquartered in San Francisco. It was founded in 2016, and since then it has always been working with scientists from highly reputable universities, and with the help of tech genius Elon Musk, it has grown considerably. This company also has the help and knowledge of various experts. At Neuralink, they are ready to revolutionize the world of computing as we know it today. This type of neurochip is allowing much more research to be done around current technology, automation, but above all it allows us to observe the brain up close and to be more precise, to observe brain cells to facilitate the automation of drug images for various brain disorders. Currently, microchips are inserted into the brain as part of a computing device to help it function better. As a result, people suffering from chronic spinal cord injuries and neurobiological problems will be able to monitor and restore their brain activity through the implanted chip. It will also help the vision of a blind person. In addition, it will monitor your health and warn you if you are about to have a heart attack. This chip will serve as a mediator between the body and the brain. It will intercept the signals coming from neurons and can be used to control computers with the mind, unlocking the full potential of the brain. That is to say, Elon Musk is again causing a technological revolution. Are you curious about this new chip? Would you implant it to monitor step by step what happens in your body? Let us know your opinion in the comments box. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This chip will be the size of a coin. It uses high-performance robots. This brain-computer interface will be integrated into the brain of a living being by removing a few cells from its brain. A small computer chip can be placed in its skull and will cause it to be cooked so it cannot fall back. After undergoing surgery, it will only take an hour for the person to be able to walk normally. However, from the outside it appears that the patient is just like any other person, but inside there will be small threads placed inside the brain so that the chip be implanted there. However, since surgical robots work with the brain, which is one of the most sensitive parts of the human body that has been in constant use, it makes sure that it does not cause damage to the patient's veins and arteries. In addition, the robots will place the electrodes in the designated places where they belong with the brain chip. The brain and the body will undoubtedly be able to exchange information much faster than ever before. And if we talk about its functions, its battery can last all day. It also has a number of wireless functions like wireless inductive charging, which means that when it is fully charged, it will be able to connect wirelessly to your Bluetooth, plus the device that you have. Approximately 1 inch in diameter, has a total of 1024 channels per link. The implant is expected to measure 23 millimeters by 8 millimeters. It will be able to measure the temperature, humidity, and pressure of the body. The signal range can be up to 10 meters, which means that the electrode will be almost 2 or 3 millimeters wide. Many people have wondered if it is possible to get rid of the microchip, and according to many experts it can be removed from the brain through a second surgical procedure. Tech geek Elon Musk also claimed that this amazing discovery can restore memory by repairing some circuits in the brain. In the future, there will be 1024 electrodes in our brain that will be able to read 1024 neurons. While Elon Musk had to pass several permits to demonstrate his brain chip, he is finally ready to show it to the world as part of the reality check. The chips were tested on the brains of 3 pigs living in an animal house. A live demonstration by Elon Musk showed several pigs. Some of them had the chips implanted, and some did not, but none of them moved or acted differently from the rest. Joy and Dorothy were the names of the pigs that lived in the animal house. Dorothy was the one chosen to implant the chip, from whom it was removed hours later, with which it was possible to demonstrate that both the implantation and the removal of the chip can be carried out successfully. Also in a live broadcast, Musk was able to share Dorothy's brain signals in real time. The brain generates a wide range of electrical current signals running through the brain, and this brings the electrical field under control. The chip guarantees that there will be no damage to the brain. The implant was also tested on a 9-year-old monkey. In the demo, he is in front of a computer and drinking a milkshake with a straw passed through his mouth. The researchers used Bluetooth to pair the Neuralinks with a phone to establish a connection. It was reported that the links were recorded in 2,000 electrodes with the coordination in the movements of the hand and arm. When the pager raised his hand, some neurons became more active. The neuronal activity during the process of movement of the pager was also recorded. Cursor while playing. Here it was possible to observe how many neurons were in operation sending signals to the computer at the same time. Due to this, the objective of this chip is to guarantee that someone with disabilities can enjoy the services of a computer or a telephone. In addition, using his brain activity with the brain chip locator, the monkey was able to enjoy playing a video game. According to an early report, a human trial was decided upon after the monkey trial proved successful. FDA approval is currently awaited before human trials can begin. In the year 2023, we could witness some revolutionary activities if Musk's team gets the required approvals that are still pending. In any case, Elon Musk seems to be quite sure that his Neuralink device can help paraplegics to walk again. He said that this will be his great goal, and although he does not want to generate hopes, he is very convinced that he can achieve it, as well as helping people walk again. The Neuralink chip could cure addiction and depression. Musk also responded to a question from a Twitter user who wondered if the implant could retrain a part of the brain that's associated with ailments, saying the technology would enable symbiosis between humans and artificial intelligence in as little as 25 days. Years. This is one of the ways that artificial intelligence is getting better and better. In fact, Musk said that we are behind on that issue. Perhaps the only solution to this backlog is to join him. In the future, we will all be cybernetic at some level, and without a doubt, the future is getting closer. It will be a technological discovery that will mark a before and after in history. It would change the lives of people with disabilities and their families for the better. Without a doubt, Elon Musk and technology would become a hero for them. Well, subscribers, this has been all for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think of this technological revolution that will mark a milestone in the history of mankind. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss all the curious facts and important information about science and technology that we bring to you in each video.